In League City, Texas, bay windows add space, light, curb appeal, and lasting value for homeowners who want a standout upgrade. Bay windows League City, Texas are a popular choice for living rooms, front rooms, dining areas, and primary suites because they create depth, improve views, and bring in more natural light. Whether the project involves bay window installation League City, bay window replacement League City, or full bay window remodeling League City, the right solution can transform both the interior and exterior of a home. Home bay windows League City are especially desirable in neighborhoods where design, comfort, and energy performance matter year-round. For homeowners focused on efficiency, energy-efficient bay windows League City and insulated bay windows League City help reduce heat gain while keeping interiors comfortable in the Texas climate. Many property owners near Marina Bay Park, FM 518, and Gulf Freeway look for energy-efficient bay windows near Marina Bay Park, League City, Texas, and insulated bay windows near FM 518, League City, Texas, because lower utility bills and improved indoor comfort are major priorities. With advanced glass packages, insulated frames, and weather-sealed installation, bay window upgrades League City can support better performance without sacrificing style. Bay window home improvement League City often starts with efficiency and ends with a more attractive, more functional home. Custom designs make a major difference when homeowners want windows tailored to architecture, room layout, and personal style. Custom bay windows League City are ideal for older homes, new builds, and remodels where standard sizing is not enough. From custom bay windows in Magnolia Creek, League City, Texas, to custom bay window renovation near Newport, League City, Texas, personalized design allows for the right projection, seating area, frame finish, and glass configuration. Bay window design services. League City also help homeowners choose between traditional and modern options while planning for trim, shelving, built-in seating, and exterior detailing that complements the rest of the property. Material selection is another key factor, and many clients compare vinyl bay windows League City with wood bay windows League City before choosing the best fit. Vinyl bay windows offer low maintenance, strong insulation, and clean lines, making them a top choice for busy households and long-term value. Wood bay windows provide classic warmth, architectural beauty, and a premium look that suits more traditional homes. Homeowners often search for vinyl bay window installers near Clear Creek, League City, Texas, or wood bay window replacement in Brittany Lakes, League City, Texas, when matching neighborhood aesthetics and durability needs. A trusted bay window company, League City, Texas, can explain the benefits of each material and recommend the best option. Modern style continues to drive demand for updated window profiles, slimmer frames, and expansive glass. Modern bay windows League City work beautifully in contemporary remodels and transitional homes that want a brighter, cleaner feel. From modern bay window design near League Park, League City, Texas, to picture bay windows League City for panoramic views, today's options can make a room feel bigger and more connected to the outdoors. Bay window renovation League City frequently includes converting dated configurations into streamlined designs with improved glass performance, upgraded framing, and finishes that suit both interior decor and exterior elevation. Installation quality matters as much as the product itself, which is why homeowners seek experienced bay window installers League City and reliable bay window contractors League City. Professional bay window construction League City includes structural assessment, exact measurements, secure support systems, precise flashing, and weathertight sealing. Whether the property is near Main Street, Hobbs Road, or South Shore Boulevard, searches for bay window contractors near Main Street, League City, Texas, affordable bay window installation near Hobbs Road, League City, Texas, and bay window installers near South Shore Boulevard, League City, Texas reflect the importance of skilled labor and dependable service. Residential bay window contractors in Victory Lakes, League City, Texas are also in demand for projects requiring neighborhood-specific style and code familiarity. Replacement projects are common for homes with aging frames, damaged seals, outdated styles, or poor energy performance. Bay window replacement League City gives homeowners the chance to correct structural issues, improve comfort, and refresh the overall appearance of the home. Replacement bay windows near Calder Road, League City, Texas, and bay window replacement near Tuscan Lakes, League City, Texas are frequently requested by property owners ready to swap worn windows for stronger, more efficient systems. Residential bay windows, League City, can be upgraded with modern glass, enhanced insulation, and custom trim details that improve the home's performance and resale appeal while keeping the design cohesive with surrounding architecture.